Boom, here we are, another one. Today we're going to check the pool for phosphates. I'll do a video on what are phosphates, and then I'll do another one on how to take care of phosphates. But to actually check for them, boom, you need a phosphate test kit, which only tests for phosphates, nothing else, okay? So you'll have your test kit, which comes with test strips, and the kit will also come with a tube that you need to fill up to the 10 milliliter line. So let's do that. Let's fill it up with water until it's right at the line. Okay, so the water's right at that 10 milliliter line. Okay, I'm gonna put that down real quick. Then you're gonna grab one of these test strips from the container. That's what it looks like. Okay, you're gonna bend it like a letter J. You're gonna bend it like a letter J without it touching, and you're gonna insert it in the cap. Okay, so I inserted in the cap till it's all the way down. I haven't touched it at all, and I have my water filled up to the 10 milliliter line. I'm gonna place it inside, then I'm gonna invert it 5 times. So we're gonna do 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Then you're gonna take it out. So here's the same test kit bottle, and there's the graph, and you're gonna look literally right down into the tube, and as you can see, the color of the water has changed somewhat. So you're gonna line it up to the color that it corresponds with in the chart. And in this situation, I'm gonna try to get this on the dam. In this situation, I got this at about 300. That's kind of the color that it coordinates with. So you got 300 ppb, which is parts per billion of phosphates. So we do have phosphates in the pool, and we will be treating this pool for phosphates. And that's it. Get your test kit. Unfortunately, for a homeowner, there's 100 test strips in here, so it should last you the lifetime of your pool. But really, this is the only way you're going to test for phosphates, and it's pretty accurate. And then you can take it to the next level. Treat for phosphates. That'll be next. Thank you.